Hey all, it's Karen at Paper Scissors Wool. Again, I'm back here today with a Paper Pretty Happy Mail stationery subscription box. This box is the one from July. August starts next week. Basically, we're at the end of July, so I am a little bit delayed with this one. I didn't actually order it when it first came available. I ordered it a bit late because, I just remembered that I wanted to get fun things in the mail, so I went and ordered one. I'm here in Adelaide, and South Australia went into lockdown last week, and one of the first things I did was to hop on and buy a 6-month subscription to Paper Pretty, just because I felt like continuing to get fun things in the mail. It is July 2021. I know the rest of the world is like living free and easy. Here in Australia, the vaccine rollout has been really slow, and we are having a bit of a situation. Half the country is in lockdown actually, so the whole of Sydney and New South Wales, much of Melbourne and Victoria, and we've all got border closures. We still have not been able to travel overseas for 18, 19 months now, and no one's really allowed to come in unless they're a returning citizen or unless they're moving here permanently. Because of that, I guess, here's some happy stationery. So first off, she always wraps the packages in a plastic cellophane bag, but I love these little paper bags that she sends as well. This one's quite cute, black with white spots. That's very, very cute, and the spots are kind of, they're like that hand drawn. They're not a standard spot size. It's very cute. All right, so inside the paper bag we have, there's more. All right, we have our standard Paper Pretty sticker for putting it in your diary to remind you to order next month. We have a little slimline pen here. It's very similar to the ones that Kikki.K makes, but it doesn't have Kikki.K branding on it, so I'm presuming it is obviously not Kikki.K because they put their name on everything, but it's a very similar one, and I do like using these. This is definitely in my favorite color, the sort of mint teal color. Well, more minty than teal, I suppose, but absolutely my favorite color. So this pen is going to get a lot of use, definitely. We have 3 Allen's Minties candies. So that is the theme of this month is mint and all things, serene and green and minty colored. So there we have our Minties candies. We have a washi tape from Washi Tape Australia. She always includes one of these, a roll of washi tape, which is cool. This is kind of like a marbleized pattern on here, which is cool. It's kind of a bluish, grayish marble. All right, we also have a sample, a washi tape sample, which she often includes as well. This is really pretty. It's like purple mountains with the metallic prismatic silver stars, snow, moon there. That's really, really cute. I will definitely use that in my bullet journal or in my travel journal even, because it's got kind of like that mountain feel, going out for a hike, all that sort of thing. We've also on here got 2 little paper clips, which I think she makes herself. So we've got one with a tiny tassel. She's done some in the past that were a much bigger tassel. This one's really tiny and cute. And then we've got one with a ribbon that can kind of poke out of your bullet journal, as in like, this page is important. So ribbons coming out, and the ribbons have a little bit of like a green shamrock pattern on there, which is cute. And the paper clips themselves, so that one's kind of like an army sage green almost, whereas that one's more of the minty sage green. So they're a slightly different color, but they coordinate quite well. Okay, I'm gonna pop that sheet at the back with the others. Here we have some, they are not sticky notes, but just like a little notepad that you can write notes on and paste them in. Not sticky at all, so you will need some glue tape there. It says "On a Happier Note," and it's a little notepad, and it does have like blue edges as well, which is cute. We have, let's see, 2 of the little mason jar cellophane bags, a small one and a big one. We've got, this is kind of an off-white cream color, and then the minty green. Ooh! Little snowflakes, how cute is that? Little snowflake stickers each snowflake unique. And they're in a nice blue-green teal color there. So that's the kiss cut. Actually, it's a little bit, it's not totally kiss cut. I mean, there is a little bit of white surround on each of those. We have some silver heart seals, envelope seals. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so I love knitting. I love anything woolen and cabled and lacy, that sort of stuff. So here we have a little paper card. It's got gray stripes on the back, but on the front it has a little like knitted sweater cable pattern, which just looks super cozy. I'm definitely going to be using that in something or other. Have to figure out what. And then on this other card we have, so that's white on the back, but we have like a little lacy green pattern with green flowers on it. That's also very pretty. Oh, we have a sheet of Kikki.K writing paper, and I want to say this is from one of the new ranges maybe. We'll look that up on the card at any rate. Anyway, yeah, Kikki.K, they're like, what is it, the B5? Or no, that's not B5. B6, something like that, note paper. I tend to buy those pads fairly often. And here's another one, also Kikki.K. That one is the same, yeah, same size. I'm not sure which range that's from. Actually, it might be the same. They might be out of the same pad, but again, that's a Kikki.K one with the branding down the bottom, and it has these little faint gray flowers on the background. So we've got leaves and then flowers. So that is quite cute. Letter writing paper, or you can use, I use these at work too sometimes for just taking notes, things that I want to pin up on my, on my wall, to reminders, that sort of stuff. They're fun to use for that if you're not much of a letter writer. I like to think that I'm a letter writer, but then I rarely ever actually write letters. I never actually sit down and do it, but I do aspire to write more letters. So I like having envelope seals and stickers and things like that, things that I can write on. So that is the July Paper Pretty Happy Mail subscription box. Definitely all my colors, the things that I love. So yeah, this was a good one. This was a good one for me to buy. And I can't wait to see what August brings.